this straightforward video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Auracast on your JBL speakers so that they will play the same music at the same time. The requirements are you need JBL speakers or JBL headphones that are Auracast compatible. Here I have the JBL Go 4, JBL Flip 7, and the JBL Clip 5, and they are all Auracast compatible. And also you need to designate one of the speakers as the main speaker. So the JBL Flip 7 will be the main speaker, and you need to connect it first to your smartphone. So here I'm gonna turn it on, and you're gonna see that it will connect with Bluetooth to my smartphone. And now it is connected to the smartphone. The second step is to press the Auracast button on your Flip 7. It will make a small chime. Now I'm gonna leave it pressed, and on the speaker that I wanna connect to Auracast, I'm gonna turn it on. So I'm gonna start with this JBL Clip 5. So let's turn it on. And here it is turned on. It should not be connected to any Bluetooth device. Now to connect it to this speaker, you need to press the Auracast button, which is here on the JBL 5. So this is the Clip 5, I remind you. And let's wait for it to connect. And now it is connected with Auracast to the JBL Flip 7. I'm gonna test the sound in a bit. And now I'm gonna connect also this JBL Go 4. So let's turn it on and let's press the Auracast button. And here it is connected with Auracast to the JBL Flip 7. So now each time you play a song on the Bluetooth device that is connected to the main speaker, all the speakers will play the same song. And if you have more speakers, they will also play the same song. Now you can control the volume only from the main speaker, and also you can pause the song only from the main speaker. Let you listen to the music now for each speaker.
You're loving me, it goes like
Now it's important to note that Auracast does not provide a stereo sound, and this is even if you're using only two speakers. If you want to pair two JBL speakers in stereo mode, you need to use two speakers of the same model, and then you need to pair them in stereo mode in the JBL portable app. If you want to check out these JBL speakers, I'm going to leave affiliate links in the description. If you make a purchase using my links, I'll gain small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.